So welcome back, and today's video will be a step-by-step guide on how to use WhatsApp on your mobile phone. So simply go to Play Store, go to the search button and type in whatsapp.com. If you do not have it pre-installed, then you could just click on open if you have it installed, or there would be an install button instead of it. As you open WhatsApp, you can see three options on the top bar, and as you click on the camera option, it will allow you to click a picture and also add a description. You also have the ability to either set it to view once, and then you just click on the tick at the bottom right and then select one of the contacts that you want to send it to. And you could also click on the search button and type in the name of the recipient that you want to send it to. And as we come back, if you click on the three dots at the top right corner, you can have a different list of different options. And if you click on the new group option, you can also choose the people from your contacts that you want to form a group for. By clicking on the search button at the top right, you can also search the name of the different people if it does not already so at first. And now if you click on the new broadcast, it shows the people from your contacts that you want to form a broadcast for. And as we come back, we also have the link devices where you could click and link a device. We could do so by scanning the QR code from our mobile phone to the other device that you want to connect. And then we also have the stored messages. We could store different messages by just tapping and holding. And then you have the settings button where you could update your profile or change things in the WhatsApp. So when we first go to the accounts, we have the security options. We have the different option to secure the notifications. Then we have the passkeys. We could manage your passkey from here, as you can see here. And then we could also link up an email address with our WhatsApp. So we could just click on add an email and then add our email. Then we also have the two-step verification. So basically the two-step verification also protects your account by preventing impersonation. And then we also have the option to change your number. For example, if you change your number, but if you want to keep your previous WhatsApp, you could also just click on here, enter your previous number and then enter your new number and change it. You also have the request account info where you could request different info about your accounts. And then you could also add a new account by simply clicking on the plus button. And now we have the privacy settings. I can adjust different features here, such as who can see the last seen and who can see me online. And then I could set it to everybody, my contacts or nobody. And also for the online part, and as I come back, I can also choose who can see my profile picture, who can see my about section. So here I'm adjusting my profile picture and then also my about section. You can choose anything to your comfort. And then here I also have who could see my status, the status that I post. And then I also have the default message timer. What this timer basically does is that, for example, if you choose the 24-hour time frame, then the message that you sent will disappear within that time frame, and also other options. And when we go to groups, then you can see that who could add me to my groups, and then I could also choose if I want to share my live location. You could just do anything based on your preference. And then we also have the option if you want to silence unknown calls. And then as we come back, we also have the blocked contact section. This show you the contacts that you had previously blocked or you can block. And then we also have the help section. And as we come back to the settings, you can also share your profile with a friend. It will give you with a list of your contacts, and you can just click on share link, and then it will give you with a bunch of social media options. You could also the app update settings, so you could choose whether you want to auto update an app whenever a new update comes, or you could just turn it off. You want to keep it as it is. And now as we come back, we also have the QR option. You could share your QR to connect with a friend, and this is basically how we do it. It gives you with a series of steps, or you could also share it via different social media. And we also have the option to reset our QR code, to change it. And then as you come back to settings, you could also click on your profile to update different things about your profile. For example, you can just click on the pen-like thing to update your name or your about section. As you can see here, I'm changing my about section. And you could also go to the home page and go to updates in order to follow different channels of your choice. As you can see here, I am following different channels channels, and the channels that I follow are just appearing, and by clicking on communities I can see the communities that I am in, or I could also make a new community by clicking on the new community and create a community. And as you can see here, I could name my community whatever I want to. I could change the profile picture, I could add a little description about the community, and I could just click on the arrow like icon, or then after that I could also click on the calls button and it will show me my recent calls, all of the calls that I've missed and things like that. And by clicking and holding on to one of your chats, you could also select them, and you have different options available, such as pinning that or deleting it or muting the notifications. And by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner, you can have different options available, such as selecting it or blocking it or adding it to shortcuts such that. So by also selecting on the mute contacts, you could mute their notifications, and anytime their message pops up you would not be notified, only for them. So that was basically it for today's video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell if you learned something. Thank you.